Hello. In this video, we'll walk through how to reserve a business username for your WhatsApp API number, step by step. First, go to web, double-tick EO and log in using your registered number and OTP. Once you're logged in, click on Settings in the navigation panel. Then click into Manage Channels. Here, you'll see a list of all your connected API numbers. Find the number you want to create a username for. Click the three dots on the right side of that number, and from the menu, select Go to FBM Account. This will take you to Meta Business Suite into the business portfolio where that number is registered. On the left-hand side, click Account Tools, then click Phone Numbers, find your number in the list and click on it. Next, click Profile. Just below the display name, you'll see a section called Username with a Create button next to it. A quick note on what this actually does. A username lets customers message you without needing your phone number. Your phone number will still show on your profile as usual. This is just an additional way for people to reach you. Now click Create. You'll see a few suggested usernames. If you like one, you can pick it. If not, just type your own username into the field. Once you've chosen your username, click Save. That's it. If you refresh the page, you'll see your new username reflected under the username section. Your business username is now reserved.